Hi, this is Randy again with ReportMaster Software. Here we are in the program, and we're going to talk about orthopedic testing today. So I'm going to hit Add New or Edit Existing Charts. We're just going to go into this chart here, hit OK. And now we have this one set here now for a note. And you can do orthopedic testing in the Notes program, or, in other words, as a note or as a report or narrative format, okay? In fact, the difference is simply in how they come out. Let me show you an example. Here we have an example of what a report looks like. This is an initial report, has an injury description. This would happen to be an auto accident. Initial complaints, those are right after the accident, etc. And you get down here to orthopedic testing and whatever. So this is what a narrative looks like, and then in ReportMaster, this is what a note looks like. The font is a little bit smaller. The headings are subjective, objective, assessment and plan, etc. So that's the difference. Now, as far as how you actually do the orthopedic test or how you get them in the document, I'm going to hit the drop down here, go to objective, and here we're going to pick the second one here. Here we have Burns bench test. I have a few things clicked off here, Trendelenburg. Notice that you have a positive, negative, left, right, and then a D and a DX. The D is for description. The DX is for diagnosis. If you check the D, it'll describe how you perform the test. If you check the DX, it'll say what a positive finding indicates. In fact, if I click this, now it's highlighted. Now I can hit the F1 key, and that's the help key. And now we have that test, and down here in blue, it shows how it would come out if you had it checked off that way. Trendelenburg's test, which is used to confirm gluteal abductor insufficiency, was positive on the left side. In this test, the patient stands on one foot using a wall or chair for support. The patient then lifts the opposite knee above waist level. The test is done bilaterally. This action will normally elevate the gluteal fold and pelvis of the side being lifted above that of the standing leg side. When the gluteal fold and pelvis on the side being lifted are lowered, the test is considered positive. So now realize that the DX part is this part right here. If you didn't check off the DX, this wouldn't be here. The D part, the description part, is from here down. So it's up to you how much of this you use, but most of our doctors say that in an initial visit they'll have it all, and on a re-exam or a subsequent note where maybe the test is now negative, they'll just simply have it was, positive on the left side, and that's it, okay? Or negative or whatever. So now, going back into the program, let's take a look at, well, first of all, I'm going to go back to the initial screen. And now if I hit initial narrative here and I go up and hit the drop down, here you see you have many more screens to go to, and at orthopedic we have 5 different screens, each one having about 20 different tests on it. So about 100 different tests here. So if you do a lot of orthopedic, or maybe you're a heavy PI type practice, you're probably going to use this part of the program more. However, if you don't do that much, then you can use the note side and not even go to all those screens, okay? And either way, our tech support can show you how to do it very easily, whichever side of the program you're using. Now, as far as how they come out, here you have your report, and if I scroll down to orthopedic testing, here you see it here. Here's Erickson's sign, Lewin-Gainsland's Hibbs test. And likewise, if I go into a note and scroll down a little bit as well, here you have orthopedic, Burns bench test, Trendelenburg, Valsalva, and they come out all written up. So I guess the point is, it'll do it all. It'll cover whatever you need to cover, and we'd be happy to show you this as well in a personal online live demo, how you can do notes like this in about 30 seconds and reports in maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Be happy to show it to you. Feel free to call us. The number is 877-742-9215, and thank you for watching.
Please give us a call today, toll free, 877-742-9215 for a live demonstration. Thanks.